Hi, I'm just going to show you all how to quickly send the Quizlet to me. The best way is when you open your Quizlet and you've finished. And I think I have to add one more term. So I'm going to add and then click done. So when you click the last one, okay, and then you click Okay, so I'm going to show you how to share the Quizlet to me, because I've realized that quite a few of your Quizlets ended up on my junk or spam folders, and I think it's because it comes in from Quizlet rather than from you. So if you want to share when you're finished, so let's say you've finished your list of words, you click share, and here is the link. Now what you've been doing is adding the email here, so what I suggest is just copy link, okay, and then go to your PMU webmail, okay, and when you're in there, okay, so open that up. Okay, so then new message, and you want to put my email address here, okay, and then just put Quizlet in the subject and put your name. Let's say it's Najla. If it's Najla, you better say which Najla. Okay, or Nadrani, whichever. And then you're going to click the link. If you do it like this, it's easier for me to find it and to access it, because before, when I receive the email, it's up at the top, up here somewhere. It's very strange. But if you can do it like this, it helps a lot. Thanks.